Guys, welcome back. So today is day 17. This is day 16. So I love the way this page turned out. I said I thought I did that. This is, again, the one where I created the flip up with washi tape. And I really love the way this works. I have not journaled here yet, but I will do that. And I think I said I'm going to make these two pages back to back so you can see. So this is a special story for me today. And I have these two photos here. These are really special ornaments, and that is because these belong to the friend of mine who passed away in August. If you follow me, you know about that story because I've documented it, and you've seen some videos about that. Her sister had her Christmas ornaments and asked me if I wanted to come over and choose something. And I remembered, because this is kind of a special ornament, that I had given her this when I was married. She was my maid of honor. And so I gave her this. It's a Christopher Radko ornament, which at the time was really, well, they still are expensive, but it was a lot of money for me. And then I also at one point gave her this margarita glass as well, because she was known for making margaritas, and she made them homemade, like made the simple syrup and everything. So anyway, I chose these two ornaments because very, very special to me. So I want to get this story told. Now the only thing is, I was thinking about like a card with up here, and then I could do a flip here, but maybe not. Let's see. I like this, kind of, although it might be better. I have this green. That's a little, oh, nope, I think it's okay. So I could do that. It's probably really hard for you guys to see this. It's actually probably better there. Thinking, do we do, and this is purple and like light green, so I don't really want to do I don't really want to do something in reds necessarily, because you can kind of see how the pinky red there is fighting this. What I could do is, if there's enough room, I could just attach this to the back here. Oh yeah, I think I can do that. It's a little short. Just looking to see if I can find a card that I would like right next to that. See, I'm just a tiny bit short if I do that. Now I could just leave it, and I might decide. This is, 1, 2, 3, 4, that kind of stuff. I don't know that Christmas favorite is, there's a way to get pink in with the red, but I don't like that. The colors were fighting each other. Here's the 'Tis the Season to Be. That card's a little short. And I don't know that Merry notes are good for this one, because it's kind of a sad reason why I have that ornament. I'm very, very happy to have it. But I think I like that one better than the On This Day in December. So just going through, I don't think I've used a card in a little bit. They need a card that says something about, here's why this ornament is appropriate, like, or important, like that. That would work. I still think I like bringing in the green. Okay, trying too hard, guys. So let's stop there. get some of this stuff out of my way. So now I'm going to take this out. The slang when I do this, it always makes me realize how much I actually use. Now I could pop, maybe that's what I'll do, is just sometimes what I'll do is if I have paper that's not too narrow, and this is, what I'll do is I'll just pop like cut off just a little bit. Yeah, this is too, it's not tall enough. So I'm looking for a scrap. I'm looking for a scrap of green. That's not specific at all, is it? Can't read the words behind here, but I kind of like it. Let's see how I like it with this. It's the wrong green. Okay, my problem with this is it's definitely a design that has a direction. Okay. So I'm going to do one of those things where you make things work for you. Don't be horrified, you guys. I am actually going to cut this card up and just cut a little bit off on each side. This is kind of what starts to happen as I start to work through my kit and start to use things. And I have a long way to go. You know, this is the 17th of December, and I'm going to go for another 15 days. But I think I've said this, I have 12 by 12 papers. I just don't want to use them if I can help it yet. Because I really want to try to use the 6 by 8 and 4 by 6s that I bought for this. So I cut off, let me show you what I did. I cut this off from this card because I don't always love these for journaling if I have a bigger story to tell. So, and I could still use this as a journaling piece. And a lot of times I'll use this as more decorative and put an element right there. Okay. So I'm just going to cut this off. Okay. Then what I can do is I'll butt these two together so that I get a reveal of that pattern. Would help if I could glue straight though. Okay, that's better. So again, we're going to get the reveal of the pattern there. And I actually probably left too much room on this side, so let me re-glue that. This pocket's going to have a ton of layers in it, isn't it? That's okay. I don't think that's a good or bad thing. It's just a statement. Okay, so we have that. Then there's this one. And I think this needs to be on something more solid. I do like this green behind it. So I'm going to take out this piece from... Too bad this didn't work, because that would have been nice. And there's no direction to this pattern really. But I was saying it was too bad that other piece didn't work, because sometimes it's nice to just be able to use the back side. Okay. So let's get some of this stuff out of my way, because you know it starts to drive me crazy. when I get too much stuff on my desk. Which is what happens when you do December daily. It becomes a mishmash, a crazy mishmash of things. Okay, so I do need to get, oh my goodness. I did a really bad job of cutting this. I like sliced into it. So let me even this out on my trimmer. Okay, that's better. Wow. That was a really bad edge, you guys. I'm sorry. This is hard to see on my mat, but you get the idea, right? Okay, so I have a place to journal here. This is for the photo. Big photo. Let's try to get kind of the same size. And then I need to get that 17 on here, and I'm thinking the 17 needs to go right there. So let's get that on there. I'm also thinking, honestly, guys, that there's not going to be a ton of embellishment on this page. Okay, it would help if I did that straight, though. Okay, there's the 17. All right, I think I said I really don't want lots. I don't really want red on here. Pink would definitely work, but I don't think I have like a lot of pink embellishment. So I've got Moments. I have Love This Season. I have Making Spirits Bright, which, okay, so I kind of like putting, this is kind of weird, but I don't have a third thing. There's 2 ornaments here. So I think I'm going to actually put this down here and make a little cluster to kind of hide the fact that I covered that 3. It's not straight. Try this again. Now I'm making it hard because I've taken it on and off. Okay, so I think that's good. Put this little tree here because it's a Christmas ornament. And I do like this tree on this side. The reason I chose that side is because it's crossing 3 layers here. So it's got the paper, the card, and the Making Spirits Bright, because you bring everything together the more layers you cross. This one says under the tree, but this is really on the tree. No favorite tradition. Merry Moments isn't appropriate. I'm thinking I'd like, here's a good one right here. I want something to go on the opposite side, and I think I'm going to use this Thankful. Oh, it says Thankful Plus. I'm going to take off the plus. We're just going to have the word thankful here, because I am thankful that I have this memory of my really good friend now. Then I think adding something up there to bring in the green. I'm also thinking, there we go. I didn't like the gap kind of here. I think it needed something else up there. So I think that puffy sticker works beautifully. This will be in the pocket. All this will be in the pocket. Okay, so we're still thinking, do I need something over here? And I need something up there. Okay. I always have hearts, right? So think that one's good. Now, I think I'd really like to see some pink here, and I don't. Okay, so if I did this, it would read 17 moments, which I don't think I like, but I do kind of like the fact that this moments, I like this down here, that moment's down there. There's a little green candy cane. Nope, that's not it. Still thinking I need some pink. And I do have, just realized I have some stars right here. And again, I think I'll cross 2 layers here. So there's a pink star. So a little pink here. I've got plenty of green on this card. I have plenty of green on this card. Here's a little pink heart too. I think that's the wrong heart for there. Looking at getting a little more pink. Oh, here we go. This is, although maybe I have some pink dots on these. I do. I'm going to go with a smaller dot. I have a couple pink dots to choose from, actually. Oh, and I put a pink star in here, and I've got these other stars. So I'm going to take this one and put it back on here. I'd rather use, this is Christmas from a couple years ago. I'd rather use these. And then I have an idea, because there's a second star here that's a lot smaller. There we go. So that's a little heart and a star there. And then I've used something from this much older sheet of things versus using new product, which that's fine, but I'm trying to use things up. And I think that's good. And now I've gotten a couple of things from these sticker sheets that I wanted to use. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for day 17. I'm feeling pretty good about the way that works. I have lots of room to tell the story, and I can talk about each of the ornaments separately, which I also like that I can talk about the significance to me about those ornaments and the significance as a whole. So I will get this documented and get this work done for you guys. Hope you're having a great Christmas season. We're almost there, you guys. There's not that much more time left, especially if you're doing a December daily. Well, there's not much time till Christmas, and especially if you're doing a December daily till the 25th. You're in the home stretch, guys. Got a little bit longer, but I'm happy and I'm just loving this project as always. All right, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.